Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and this is Felix, and we're going to make some classy cheddar quesadillas, but I really think I need a better name for them.
I got it, Heather. Los Brócolis Incognitos. That was my Spanish soap opera voice.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah,
And
that was good, yeah.
We gave it that name
Yeah.
because we're going to hide a little bit of broccoli in this, because not everyone likes broccoli.
Wait, Heather, not everyone likes broccoli?
I know, I can't imagine, because I love broccoli.
Yeah.
And it is what color?
Green, my
Green.
favorite, and your favorite.
And my favorite.
Yeah.
It's really good for you, but I think a lot of people think they won't like it. But maybe if we try it this way with some cheese and some salsa.
Yeah. We hide it.
Yeah, kind of like a quesadilla.
Yeah.
I think you'd be
Incognitos.
surprised.
Yeah.
Incognito, hidden.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do in this bowl is I'm going to add some freshly shredded cheddar cheese. You could use any cheese that you like, but I like cheddar, and I think cheddar goes well with broccoli.
Yeah.
And to that, I'm going to add some freshly made salsa.
Oh,
it's not
you
too
made
hot
this?
either. I did.
Yeah. Did you make it from your garden?
I did. And it's not too hot, I promise. It's just right.
Yeah. I don't like the hot salsa. It burns my mouth.
No, this is very mild.
Okay.
Now to this, I'm going to add some freshly chopped broccoli. And I chopped it really small.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. See, Heather knows that I like to eat small pieces so I don't choke on them.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
right. Now we're just going to stir this up in a bowl.
Okay.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Very easy.
Yeah.
And we're going to take a tortilla.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm going to put maybe a scoop right in the center.
Okay. Is that where we're hiding it?
It is where we're
Okay,
hiding it.
Okay. We should be very, very quiet when we hide it in there. Shh.
And you fold it in half.
Okay.
And then we are going to put this in a warm toaster oven just until it gets just slightly warm.
Okay.
No, it doesn't have to be hard and toasted. Just a little bit warm.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
it.
Oh.
Actually, I'm going to put it right in the center.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, the toaster. I forgot about the toaster oven.
It's perfect. It's a good, safe tool for kids who aren't old enough to use the oven yet.
Right.
All right, well, Felix, I think it's time to take our special snack out of the toaster oven.
Yeah, wait. Hey, Heather, you mean Los Brócolis Incognitos.
Yes, that's exactly what I mean.
I should be on a Spanish soap opera.
You should. You're such a good actor.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. You're good, too. You're good at so many things, Heather.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And look, this is really hot, so be careful.
Yeah.
And I have a special green plate just for you.
For me?
Your favorite color, and this has broccoli.
Yeah, but shh. That's a secret.
It's incognito.
Yeah, incognito.
It's a healthy snack. It's quick.
Yeah.
And it's really tasty. There you go. What do you think of that?
That looks wonderful.
It looks wonderful, and it was super simple to make.
Yeah.
Muy bueno.